Thanks for visiting Nonacus. My name's Chris Sale. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Nonacus. We're based in Birmingham in the UK, and our mission is to develop innovative products which advance non-invasive diagnostics and improve patient outcome. What this really means is we're developing an innovative product and complete clinical workflow to support liquid biopsy and the use of circulating tumor DNA in diagnostics. We were founded by a group of commercially experienced people, myself having experience with Illumina and Agilent, my co-founder Lee Silcock and Chief Scientific Officer also having experience at Agilent Technologies, and Graham Snodden and Michael Parks having over 30 years experience between them in co-founding companies and undertaking NIPD and prenatal testing using cell-free fetal DNA and cell-free DNA. We've then gone on to develop a range of oncology products for cell-free DNA, and that's our focus. We have a complete range of products to support liquid biopsy applications, as well as enabling, using the same technology, comprehensive cancer sequencing of the primary tumor. Our vision is that our products will enable streamlined, fast and accurate determination of mutations in a patient's primary tumor, followed up by bespoke, customized, low-cost assays for determining patient-specific mutations in the liquid biopsy. To this point, I'll talk you through the range of products that we have developed to support this. From a pre-sales perspective, within the My Nonacus account on our website, customers can log on and design any customized patient-specific panels or cancer-specific panels. This can be to address primary tumor or liquid biopsy or both. We have a very simple interface, and we have additional field application support for customers with more complex design needs. Custom manufactured panels and designs take only 3 weeks to deliver and are fully compatible with all DNA input types, whether it be cell-free DNA, FFPE, fresh frozen material, and work with automated high throughput systems. Following on from designing a custom panel, you could use one of our pre-analytical products. So when dealing with cell-free DNA and circulating tumor DNA in the case of liquid biopsy, one of the key considerations are the pre-analytical points. To this, we have developed 2 products, a cell-free preserver tube. This is our equivalent to a Strec or PAX gene tube, which is used to collect blood samples in and stabilize cell-free DNA to ensure that you can extract just the cell-free DNA or circulating tumor DNA component within the cell-free DNA. Further to that, we've developed an innovative, simple to use extraction method called cell-free extract for cell-free DNA extraction, which utilizes no additional equipment, no vacuum manifolds, no magnets, no need for automation, just a simple method for extracting high volume and extracting the exact volume of plasma you have and ensuring it's nice and concentrated with a very small elution volume of just 35 microliters. Following on from extracted cell-free DNA, we have a range of targeted resequencing methods, all applicable to Illumina or MGI sequencers. And more recently, we've adapted our technology to also cover Oxford nanopore sequencers. Our cell-free target technology is really designed so that you can, in a comprehensive way, using our pan-cancer TMB MSI panel, which covers 524 genes, understand the complexity of the cancer in the primary tumor, whether that be FFPE or fresh frozen material. In addition to our pan-cancer TMB and MSI panel, we also have an even more comprehensive tumor exome. This is to fit alongside our standard exome. We developed our tumor exome to ensure that our customers had the correct content. We realized that our standard exome does not cover all tumor relevant content, as it did not cover some non-coding relevant oncogenes, and also some promoter regions like TERT promoter and some key translocations, and fusion events. We therefore combine these into our tumor, with our exome to create our novel tumor exome product. Further to that, we then develop and enable customers to develop custom panels so that once you've comprehensively sequenced the primary tumor, you can look in the patient's plasma for circulating tumor DNA and follow up in a kind of post-surgery, post-chemotherapy surveillance setting with bespoke cancer-specific panels or even bespoke patient-specific panels, which we're trialing at the moment and are planned to launch later in 2021. Moving on from there, we have a software under development called OncoTrack, which will enable you to analyze the primary tumor sample and then in a longitudinal way, analyze all the same patient samples of blood every 6 months, for example, and really analyze under a surveillance setting, looking at specific mutations, which you've flagged from the primary tumor. You can track those mutations out over time within the software and understand if they come back much sooner than with MRI scans. The software will also enable you to overlay information about chemotherapy treatments, chemotherapy treatment dates, surgery dates, MRI scan information, and any additional diagnostic information can be overlaid. So you'll have a single interface where you can really track the patient's response to chemotherapy. Lastly, as you'd expect of a product company, we have 4 customer service and customer-focused training and support, including field application scientists, which can visit you on site to show you how to use our products, bioinformaticians, which are field-based, and bioinformaticians over the phone or by internet to support you. And we're here to support you using any of our products. Really like you to please fill out the form that's attached to our page as part of the EACR event. And please do come and ask any specific questions about your research. We'd love to talk to you about your project. Thank you.